Welcome to C-Note Tax Solutions. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple and secure process of creating your profile on our portal. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and type C-Note Tax Solutions in the search bar. Click on the official website and go to the client portal. If you're an existing customer, enter your registered email address and password. Then click Login. You'll receive a one-time password, also called an OTP, in your registered email. Enter the OTP to securely access your account. If you are a new user, click on Create Account next. Fill in your information, including your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Make sure the information provided is accurate and up to date. Create a strong and secure password for your account. Then re-enter the same password in the Confirm Password field to ensure it matches. If you have a referral code, enter it in the Referral Code field. If not, you may leave it blank. Finally, review all the information carefully and check the box to confirm that you agree to the privacy policy and terms. Once all required fields are completed, click Submit to create your account. Your profile will then be successfully created, and you'll be ready to access the portal securely.